Hi, I'm going to show you a way to set up a proportion using a bar. We call it a percent bar. So the first thing I want you to know about a percent bar is that one side of the bar, or the rectangle, will always be dedicated to percent. For example, this side is going to be 0% and 100%. Anything that has to do with percent will go on this side of the bar, and anything that has to do with the other types of units will go on the other side of the bar. If it's not a percent, it doesn't go over here, and a percent will never go over here. McNeil High School sports teams won 72% of their games last season. So I can put that on this side of the bar because it is a percent. If the teams played 50 games, how many games did they win? The total games they played was 50. Well, I know that 100% represents the total or the whole amount of something. So I'm going to put 50 games above the 100% because both of these numbers represent the total games, the total percent of the games. They won 72%. This question is asking how many specific games did they win? So that's the part we don't know. That is the unknown part that we're solving for. So this has helped me set up my proportion, and now I can solve. So I'm going to have my variable n representing the question over 72% right here, n over 72%. And it's going to be equal to 50 games over 100%. Notice that my percent is across from my percent, and my mystery number of games is across from the games. So now I'm going to do this thing called the bat and ball method. And that is where I multiply the bat, looks like a bat, baseball bat, and I'm going to divide by the ball. So I'm going to multiply 72 times 50. And I got 3,600. Now I need to divide 3,600 by 100. $36. So they won 36 games.